Hey beauties, it's tag time. Are you a foodie? If you're a foodie, you're gonna love this tag. Thank you, Vicky J, for tagging me in this crazy about food tag. If you don't know who Vicky J is, I will leave her link in the description box down below. She does lots of makeup hauls, fashion hauls, lookbooks, everything. Make sure you go check her out. She does amazing relaxed hair routines. So make sure you go check out my girl and show her some love. And what I have here is 30 questions all about food. So yeah, it's gonna take me a little while, but make sure you continue watching because we all love food. So let's go. First question, what food could you eat every day? Ackee saltfish, definitely. Second question, what's your favorite restaurant? I enjoy Italian, Chinese, but especially Jamaican restaurants. What city has the best food you've ever had? I would say London because they're quite diverse and they have, you know, different types of food, and I love tasting different types of food, so I would definitely say London. Number 4, what do you get on your sub? I don't eat sub. I don't even like the smell of sub. So that's a no. I don't put anything on my sub because I don't eat sub. Number 5, what do you get on your pizza? Pepperoni and cheese, extra cheese. Number 6, is there a food you've always wanted to try? I want to try jollof rice. My Niger babes, hit me up. Jollof rice, yes. Number 7, tell me about your worst restaurant experience. Well, I haven't really had any bad experiences. I want to say this, well, I have one actually. This happened a couple weeks ago. I went to a restaurant and I ordered the pork. And I really didn't, it was just too fatty for me, and yeah, it didn't, like my stomach didn't really react well to it, so I had a really bad tummy. But I would say that was the worst experience. I can't recall any, but that one. Number 8, who's a better cook, your mom or your dad? It would be my mom. I didn't grow up with my dad, so I don't really know if my dad can cook, and my dad passed, sadly. So it would have to be my mom. My mom actually has a cook shop. She does cook and she sells it to people around the village. So my mom definitely. Number 9, what is one food you just fail at making? I don't know, because I think that anything I put my mind to do, I can do it. So I can't think of one food that I fail at cooking because, you know, I love cooking. So I don't consider it a failure. I just turn it into something else if I think I failed. So yeah, I really don't know. No. Number 10, name your least favorite food. Least favorite food. I don't think I have a least favorite food. I love food overall, so I don't think I have a least favorite food. Let me see. I don't like anchovies. No, I don't like anchovies. No. 11, raw or cooked veggies. I like them raw and cooked. Number 12, how do you like your steak? I like my steak medium. Yep. Number 13, do you enjoy cooking or baking better? I enjoy cooking, but I have been getting into baking lately, but it's definitely cooking. Definitely. I'm a better cook than a baker. Number 14, what's your favorite fast food place? I don't really do fast food, but if I'm going to choose, I would say maybe KFC. I'm not quite sure. I do sometimes indulge with a little bit of their wings, so I would say KFC. Yeah. Number 15, name a food place you wish was closer to you. Any food place that sells Jamaican food? Yes, definitely. Number 16, ultimate fave dessert, berry crumble. Love berry crumble. Number 17, what food do you gravitate more towards at a party or get together? Any little finger picking bits, like chips and dips and stuff like that, I always gravitate towards that because I like to pick sometimes, especially when I'm drinking. I like to pick on food. So anything that's finger like, chips and dips, definitely. Number 18, favorite food to eat at Christmas. Favorite food, it would have to be the ham. What else? Yeah. What's the first food that comes to mind right now? Ackee, saltfish with some dumpling and green banana and a piece of yam. My Jamaicans know what I'm talking about. Yes. Number 20, do you have any weird food habits? Actually, when I was younger, I used to eat my food first and then I eat my meat last, and I realized that my uncle used to steal my meat, so I've stopped doing that. But weird food habit, I leave my meat for last. I like to enjoy my meat, you know? Number 21, what holiday is your favorite for food? Christmas. Hello. 22, what's one food you would never try? Actually, I have tried it before and it's escargot. I don't like escargot. No. I've tried it and it just made me want to puke, so I would never try it again. Nope. 23, do you know your best friend's favorite food? Well, I would like to say I think she likes seafood a lot. Yeah, I think she likes seafood, fish, prawns, whatever. I think she likes especially fish. Number 24, what's the best thing your mom makes? My mom makes anything stewed. She does a fantastic job. It's stewed chicken, stewed beef. Oh, and soups. Yes, definitely. Yep. 25, what's your favorite style of eggs? Scrambled, boiled, poached, over easy, or sunny side up? Scrambled. 26, name your favorite restaurant that closed down. I don't have one. I don't. Number 27, do you like your bread toasted light or dark? Light. Oh yes, I don't like my bread to be burnt or too dark. No. 28, do you like spicy food? It depends on what I'm having. If I'm going to have seafood, I like it a little bit spicier than normal. I like it to have that kick. But regularly, no, I'm not a spicy food fan. And people always say to me, but you're Jamaican, how come you don't like spicy food? 28, do you like seafood? I do like seafood, yes. And the last question, number 30, first food that comes to mind that is green. Spinach. So that is it, guys. I'll be tagging some of you on the screen, so make sure you do the tag. No pressure. No pressure here. If you want to do it, feel free to do it. But if I tag you, I would love you to do these questions. I found it so fun. I really enjoyed doing it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, of course, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. What are you waiting for? If you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.